Hey guys, so today I want to talk about something that has more importance than makeup. Freedom of expression. This freedom includes opinions without hurtful comments and to not receive any negative feedback for this expression, meaning to be yourself and to be respected that way. For some people to understand that love is love and it doesn't matter in what shape or form it comes in, if it is homosexuality, if it's bisexuality, or if it's just a straight couple being together and loving one another before marriage or after marriage. They don't understand that that is love. And if something is really that strong, it can't be broken. And one of the things that really makes me happy, and one of the things that really gave me the idea for this video, is that most of the states in the United States are legalizing gay marriage, and that is best thing that could have happened to our society. It is finally showing that you can be accepted regardless of your beliefs, regardless of what you think, regardless of who you feel you are, and what sexual orientation you have. It's very hard to be an individual in a society that tries to push you into a form that isn't suitable for your shape, isn't suitable for the person that you want to become. And to see that gay marriage is finally being legalized and finally accepting that some people just aren't like others is something terrific, because it doesn't only show us that we can love, it shows children that, hey, you know what? I have two mommies and that's okay, or I have two daddies and that's fine, or I have a mom and a dad and that's normal. And regardless of what ethnicity you are, what gender you are, what you believe, you are accepted into society, and that's slowly what it's showing, and I think that's something terrific. It's showing young women that we can be feminists, and that's okay. And we can have strong beliefs of being ourselves, and strong beliefs that we don't have to be dependent on a man, we can actually be ourselves, that we can have the same wage as another individual and another man, that we can finally marry who we want to marry and not be forced into marriage due to money, due to fame, whatever that is. And we don't have to be forced into something that we aren't. And I think that's the most wonderful thing that has happened to our society. No matter what, we're still humans. We still have our doubts, we still have our failures, and that happens. And that's okay. Because now that society is starting to accept us and starting to accept who we are, we can start being ourselves. And I think that's a really great gift. So thank you very much, and goodbye.